Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, how are you? I'm your teacher Hafiz Shahab and welcome to our channel SJ Islamic School. Today we have to read our lesson number 9 part 15. So please read ta'awudh and tasmiyah after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So the first word of part 15 is wow, dhamma, wu, jim, wow, dhamma, ju, wuju, ha, tu dhamma, hun, wujuhun. Wow has dhamma. We're not allowed to stretch, we're not allowed to jerk, and we're not allowed to read majhul because this is one from harakat. So, jim wow dhamma is creating wow madda. We have to stretch it for 1 second. And ha has two dhamma, means tanveen. We have to make ikhfa on tanveen right here. So, wujuh. The next word, hamza, fatha, a, ثا يا كثرة ثي أثي ميم تو كثرة من أثيم. This is alif, and if alif has any symbol except mud, so we have to read hamza. We're not allowed to say alif, we have to convert alif into hamza. So right now we have to read hamza fatha a, that's why. And hamza has fatha, we're not allowed to stretch, we're not allowed to jerk, and we're not allowed to read majhul. Tha ya kathra, thi is creating ya madda here because the ya is sakin and the previous letter has kathra. It will become ya madda. We have to stretch it for 1 second. Meme has two kasrah, means tanveen. We have to make ikhfa on tanveen. Hiding the sound in nose for 1 second is called ikhfa. It will be athimin. Hamza fatha a, lam ya kasrah li, ali, meme two kasrah min, alimin. Hamza has fatha, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Lam ya kathra creating ya madda. We have to stretch for 1 second. Meme has two kathra tanween. We have to make ikhfa here. Ali min. Ba fatha ba. Sad ya kathra si. Basi. Ra two fatha ra. Basira. Ba has fatha, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Sad will be read bold because it is from huruf musta'aliya. Those are 7 letters: kha, sad, dad, ta, za, ghain, and qaf. In our lesson, there are 4 words in which we have to make them bold because those are from huruf musta'aliya. So Sod has kathra, that is connecting with ya sakin, it's creating ya madda. We have to stretch it for 1 second. Ra has two fatha tanween, we have to make ikhfa on tanween, and also ra will be read bold due to two fatha on it. And one thing more, after two fatha, if there is alif, we don't have to read alif with it. Basira. Next line. Kha fatha kha, ba ya kathra bi, khabi. Ra two fatha ra, khabira. Kha is bold from huruf musta'aliya. Kha has fatha, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Ba ya kathra creating ya madda, stretch for 1 second. Ra will be read bold due to fatha on it. Two fatha means tanween, we have to make ikhfa here, and alif will not be read. Khabira. را فتحة را. حا يا كثرة حي رحي. قاف تو كثرة قين رحيق. Ra will be read bold due to fatha on it. Ra has fatha, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Ha ya kathra hi is creating ya madda, stretch for 1 second. Qaf will be read bold due to huruf musta'aliya. Qaf has two kathra tanween. So we have to make ikhfa here. Rahiqin. Next word. Sheen fatha sha. Ha ya kathra hi. Shahi. Dal to dhamma don. Shahidon. Sheen has fatha, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Ha ya kasra creating ya madda, stretch for 1 second. Dal has two dhamma tanween, we have to make ikhfa here. Shahidon. Now the last word of the lesson. Ain fatha a. ظا يا كثرة ظي عظي. ميم تو كثرة من عظيم. Ain has fatha, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Za will be read bold due to huruf musta'aliya. Za ya kathra creating ya madda, need to stretch for 1 second. Mim has two kathra, tanween, we have to make ikhfa here. عظيم. Always remember this ikhfa in every single word just because you have to make practice. وجوه أثيم أليم بصيرا خبيرا رحيق شهيد عظيم. So this was our lesson number 9 part 15. صدق الله العظيم.